Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share our Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Maunga I Hapū. There are two kupu hou. The first is Onamata, and it means ancient times or olden days. I Onamata, he pā I tū I kone. In olden days, there was a pā here. Our second kupu is Aka, and it means turmoil or upheaval. I te nui o ngā karawhiunga o tēnā hapū e tēnei iwi, ka kino hoki te aka. With that hapū having countlessly been on the receiving end of this iwi, the upheaval grew. Ka are mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Ka hānana hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoama. Te Maunga I Hapū, nā Aesop. I Onamata, ka rongo I te ngunguru o tētahi maunga. Ka roa te pēnei tia, kia rūhia katoatia ngā whenua. Ka karapine mai ngā tāngata, I wiwi, I wawā, e ki te ainga hua o te aka nei. Ka tini rā te tatari, ka hia hoki ngā matakitenga a te marea. Ānā wai, ka puta ko tētahi kiore. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, kei whakanui a te kore noa iho nei. The Mountain in Labour by Aesop. In olden times, a mighty rumbling was heard in a mountain. This lasted a long time, until all the country round about was shaken. The people flocked together from far and near to see what would come of the upheaval. After many days of waiting and wise prophesyings from the crowd, out came a mouse. The moral being, do not make much ado about nothing. Tēnā rā koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to, it would be amazing if you could take just a few minutes to rate and review us on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference in helping us to be discovered by new listeners. If you'd like to show your tautoko in another way, we have a Patreon page. For just $6 a month, you get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive Reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is now more than 100 posts. Better yet, if you're a kaimahi in Kura, Kohanga Reo, Puna Reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Simply email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a free Patreon link. A massive mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast couldn't be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoama.